Okay, now this is the continuation of the repair for the ice machine, right? So what I did is I cleaned the system, put a new filter and charging line, and I'm charging it with 134A gas. Now I have a nice pressure here, that's 0. And let me see if I have ice. It's running now for 2 minutes. Ooh, I have ice now. So I guess this is working. Let me see the ice. Oh, nice cube ice. Yeah. Okay, so this is one of the portable ice machine from Frigidaire. And I believe what happened is the capillary got clogged up and stopped making ice. So here's the finished repair of the ice machine. All right, I will post another appliance repair next time. Thank you. Bye bye.